Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to turn on the incognito mode on YouTube using your iPhone. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, you want to open your YouTube application, and now you want to click on your profile picture at the upper right corner of your screen. And here you can see the turn on incognito. So you can now just go ahead and click on that to enable incognito on your YouTube. So now you are now in incognito. So you can just go ahead and start watching any videos that you want. So that is how you do it. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one, and have a great day.